Let's get started here. Let's see. JC. Ooh. Just worth watching. All right. This is low, don't know the float. Okay, it's not holding down. Jeez. All right. All right, let's see what this brings, JC. Let's do it. 5 seconds. Let's see. Assuming flat, might come all the way down. Imbalance was there. We need to see an imbalance. Okay. Now we're going to see an imbalance here. So let me see. Whoops. 516. This thing just went so fast. Okay. See if we can catch something here. So the low that is 68. So moving pretty crazy. It's got good volume. Recent reverse split. So low that is 52. So wondering what this next candle might do. So ideally a dip under 52, but if it's really strong, dip under 50. And if it's really strong, we might be able to see it right through 525. So waiting here. I have to act quickly on this. Staying patient. There he goes, 20s. My goodness. So we got that 360. Nah. All right. Even a one share trade, it's just down 12 cents. That's crazy. All right. Okay, let's see if this is actually going to squeeze these shorts. So what we want to see here is some kind of imbalance. There it is, the imbalance. So now I want to know where this pullback candle is going to be. 22, okay. So these red orders got consumed by this green candle. So now this pullback candle for the imbalance, I want to know where you're going to end. 20 seconds there. Could be good, actually. If it's still in play, it's got a lot of volume, so people are kind of pissed off at this stock. So there might be a little squeeze here. We can get under 422. If not, we're looking at 460. Through 460, I would probably take smaller size. 4 seconds there. Nope, not 460. So we're going to look at 420, 422. Under 420, which is going to be VWAP. So hopefully that itself bounces. So watching the candle formation here, 422. This could be really good. Could be really good at 422. Um, let's see. All right, there's another dip there coming. So small dip right under 30, right? No, low 30, no, not yet. I think shorts are still pretty active here. Shorts are still pretty active, 85, 90, pretty active here. There's still some kind of algo force holding this thing up. I'm not sure, I'm not too confident about this breakout here. But if it does, then, so be it. But I think shorts are still pretty active here. So back to 60. Here we go. Under 22 or under 30. Maybe under 20. And I want to see that reclaim of 20. $90 through 90 could be. I didn't feel confident on that one. I didn't think it's tough. It's tough. It's tough. We didn't see that. I didn't see that low here, but this is good to see. We got this nice move there. So now gap and go through 550. I'll take smaller size. Gap and go through 550. Now we got a pullback candle here. Pullback candle 496. It did not fit my strategy. Did not fit my read. So 3 seconds there. If under 5 could be good. But if it wants to keep folding. There it goes, dip under 5. Dip under, went to 90. 70, 60. Yeah, these thing on dips is very, very strong. Like shorts really pile in on dips, huh? So let's see. Let's see if we can get back over 5. Can we get back over 5? Okay, got back over 5 there. Back over 5. Nope. Almost took that. Went as high as 519. Could have taken 5, like 510, 514, 510, yeah. It was like 509 by 514, but didn't actually hold. So maybe we're looking for a low here. 64. Imbalance right here. Mm, okay. Shorts are looking for a new low here. Shorts are looking for a new low. Shorts are looking for a new low here. 62.50, there it is. So back over 60. Nah, man. The downside is so strong on this one. Wow. Okay, back over 22, perhaps. Back over 20. Back over 20. Ah, man. Dang. Dip. Back over 4. Man, that was a quick dip. What the heck, bro? Back over. Oh my goodness. That is tough. Back to 90. It's fighting. It's a tug of war right here. It's a massive tug of war right here. Dang, Sean. Penny stocks. Ooh, sellers. Massive sellers. 78. Wow, 90. Nice dip. So, dip under 80. But I don't take I'm done with penny stocks. Penny stocks, one days, maybe this is the one where you make money, but you look at another one a different day and it's just garbage and you lose the money you made. So I don't know. What do we do here? Wow. I just stopped 93. Back over 83. What do we think? Back over 83 here. Then move to one. No, I can't trade pennies. Looking for a clean setup here. Gonna wait and see if I can get a nice dip. 63 there. 66, 67. So it did dip a little bit under 64, but not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a area where I think shorts are gonna stop out. So they might stop out 75. But I need to know an area where shorts are going to commit. Here we go. So down there, 61, that low. So I'm wondering if this is going to be good. I think shorts might add on the break of 60. So that's not where I know shorts might really push this thing down on the break of 60. And I want to see that reclaim of 60. So let's see it. So nothing there. So we're gonna get it right at 70 then. Nope. There you go. 60 again. 60. So shorts definitely added right there on the false breakout. So no, now we likelihood we're gonna see a drop through 60 is pretty high here. Shorts are in this game. They're in this play. There you go, 58. So now I do want to see the reclaim of 60. If shorts are going to be strong, it won't. But if longs take over here at 60, it may have something here. It may have something. And then a trade to maybe 70s. So 18 seconds here. Could be good. Could be good. So far it's holding strong. So far this is the only play that I seem to be liking it. So the read has been pretty good so far. So we came back over 60 here. It could be something interesting. Forty seconds there. Wants to be a little bit annoying. So 53. 53. Okay. 49. Shorts are still there. Back over 50. Yeah, back over 50 was good. I'll get in here. Ooh, there's a big seller there, but I think we can get it. So back over 53. No, 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 no. Dang it, bro. I did like that. Let me see if I can get this one here. 49, back over 50. Wow, the shorts are really, really strong in this market. Shorts are aggressive today, but they're gonna get exhausted here. So maybe So then I have that dip right here, 48 low. That was 44. Waiting for the cover. Yep, 49. Let's cover here, like a few cents, like 55, 60. I'm seeing green here. Waiting for the cover. Waiting for the cover. Could retest 48. What? Okay, good. There you go. I did say could retest 48, so here we go. Come on. VWAP is 54. Man, nothing, bro. It's like flat. Dang. Yeah, this market's tough today. All right, we can try this again. Shorts want to see a new low here. 48. But if they're not, we could see a nice move higher. Over 52. VWAP is 54. And that sucks that this thing ended up being 54. So there you go. So now we're going to see that over 52. Possibly under over 52. Yep, let's do it. 54. A little 1 cent too high, but let's see it. So seeing those green prints, nice. 7, 9, 60. I'll take it off right there. Oh, nice. Break 60. Nice. So we have an imbalance here. Let's see where this pullback is going to be. So the key here was the fact that we knew shorts needed to see a new low here if they wanted to bring this lower. The second they didn't see this new low, they're starting to cover. So 62. So 62 to 58. Uh, maybe 55. If it goes under 55. Low, that is 56. Mm. All right, so here we go. This month we decided to take it a little more, a little slower, trade much less, and take a little less size. All right, so hence the smaller numbers. But yesterday was a bad loss. I sidestepped on a dip and it got flushed, and I held for too long, and that was like mainly most of the loss there. Otherwise, it would have been a comfortable red day. But today there was nothing. Nothing for us to trade. Very first trade of the day, I went for this reclaim of 50 here. Thought it would do it. Coal back over and give me a nice move. But no, it didn't actually do that. Ended up stopping out 49 very quickly. So this thing, 1951, yeah, basically 10 seconds later, I'm out because it whipped down, and I'm thinking, oh no, no, I don't want to stay on that. Then I tried it again here, 49, looking for this push, goes up there to 52, comes back down, I'm out. I want to give it enough room. If it's going to be terrible, it'll be terrible. Then 54 here, first candle new high, then out there 59. So we managed to get a little bit out of this. Yeah, nothing great. Accuracy. I mean, really nothing to look at. What's more interesting is like on the month. Accuracy went a little bit lower. I was closer to 60, but yeah, I need to capture a few more wins here. Accuracy's too low. Profit factor, it's good. Biggest winner, biggest loser is sadly the same. This is about the same, not good. So the stats are not really improving, at least for this month. But I think the reads are getting a little better. The accuracy is getting a little better. Um, so yeah, maybe we can fix that. Anyway, so that's gonna be pretty much it. Go over to Mr. Profit, slow day, 7-day free trial for Mr. Profit. Free trading analysis tool, try it for free. You don't need an account, you don't need anything, your data is never stored. Just drop in your file, we'll analyze it for you. Um, and then their features. So check out all our features, they're really awesome, really cool. The community loves it, so go and check it out. $5 a month, 50 a year, the most affordable analytics platform out there for something that you need quick and easy. Calendars, stats, tags, breakdown of your trades, charts. I mean, like stuff, it's like so awesome. It's like so cheap, so awesome, does the job, gets you to see all your stats. It is amazing. Anyway, so I built this platform, so hopefully you like it. Come to Discord, let's talk about it. Let's talk about trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.